Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Power the phone off to stop short circuits because current plus water causes damage. Once it's off, remove the case, SIM tray, and any external media so trapped water can escape. Blot visible water with a lint-free cloth. Do not rub or shake aggressively, as that pushes liquid deeper. If you have a vacuum, use it briefly at low power to draw water out of ports. Make sure to keep the phone face down on a towel to let gravity help. Once surface moisture is reduced, separate internal humidity. Place the phone in an airtight bag with silica packets, or use clean rice only if silica is unavailable. Both absorb moisture over 24 to 48 hours. Do not use direct heat or hair dryers above 40 degrees Celsius because heat can warp components and melt adhesives. Use a fan or cool air instead. Make sure to prop the phone so ports angle downward. Periodically check. After the drying window, attempt to power the phone on. You should do this only when you believe internal moisture has subsided because premature reboot risks shorts. If it powers up but shows odd behavior, flicker, muffled audio, erratic touch, reboot once, then back up data immediately. If problems persist, try removing a removable battery before the next trial. If the battery is sealed, do not force it. Seek professional repair. Remember, water damage can be hidden, so persistent faults warrant inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.